Hey everyone, Sean here from Tesla Family, and
Rachel from Tesla Family.
Thanks for joining the video today. Today we're going to be talking to you guys about our new car seat here, actually an upgrade. We've got the new Diono Everett NXT Fix booster car seat that we're going to be upgrading or changing to from our Radian 3RXT car seat. In the video today, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the new car seat. We'll show you the features of the new booster car seat, and then we're also going to be doing some comparisons between the new car seat and the old car seat. All right, let's jump into the unboxing and do the comparison. I can't believe how popular our video was on the 3RXT. More than 17,000 views on that video. So thank you out there if you saw that video. If you haven't, check it out at the link above. Now we're going to get into the Everett NXT Fix. All right, so we've got two car seats sitting in front of us. Rachel, what's going on here? Why are we upgrading to the Everett NXT Fix?
Sure, so we really loved the Diono Radian 3RXT. But we've had a couple issues with it lately, with the headrest of it slipping down. We recently upgraded our daughter to the booster seat mode, which is removing the 5-point harness and using the seatbelt only. So we were having issues with the Diono headrest slipping down, so we decided to get this Diono Everett NXT Fix series. This one has the H harness, the 5-point harness there, and this one is booster seat only mode. So she just fit the minimum requirements for this. So we're gonna unbox it, install it, and see how we like it.
A couple other reasons why I'm actually really happy about the upgrade. This car seat is kind of a pain to install. Getting these latch straps on this car seat tensioned down in the back of the Model 3 was a pain. And then even attaching the rear latch around the headrest of the Model 3, another pain to really get it tight so that the car seat didn't move. Hopefully this will be much quicker and smoother. We still have latches on here, but hopefully the tensioning down is gonna be a little bit easier. And then we just have to run the seatbelt through. So it should be pretty easy. And secondly, this car seat is very heavy. It weighs almost 30 pounds. Ugh. I mean, seriously, trying to take this thing out of the car, move it around, wasn't really happy about having to do that. It also doesn't do a good job of sitting up on its own. So you couldn't just take it out of the car and set it down on its bottom. It would always fall over. This guy is only 11 pounds. Super, super light. So that's going to be awesome. All right, anything else?
No, let's get to it.
All right, let's get into the unboxing.
Okay, so here's the box for the Diono Everett NXT Fix. On the front here, we see it's the high back booster designed to grow and built to last. You can see a picture of it here. And it accommodates children who weigh at minimum 40 pounds and up to 120 pounds and a height of 38 to 63 inches. Now our daughter is 45 pounds and about 45 inches, so she's sort of at the bottom of the requirements for this, so this is a perfect time to get her in the seat. And let's see, on the other side, let's talk about what makes the Everett NXT Fix great. There's a 7-position extending headrest to accommodate different height children. There's a rigid latch system, which is actually new for us. On the other one that we had, it's a flexible latch system. There's memory foam comfort in the seat. There's energy absorbing foam, a luxury fabric, just like the Diono Radian that we already had. It folds for travel, which is a super nice feature for any of you taking this for travel. It's lightweight and easily transportable if you're switching this between, cars between different family members. Superior side impact protection, and it has a Diono cup holder compatible. Now this feature, it is compatible with a cup holder, but it does not include a cup holder.
Hold on, wait.
It does not include it.
Cup holder, got it.
So
I'm gonna take it right off the old one here.
We're gonna take it off the old one
cup holder check.
I don't know how much this costs on the Diono website. I'm sure you can get it as an accessory, but we're just going to use what we have. So put our little sippy cups in here. Okay, let's get to opening it up. Okay, there's some information on the top here about registering the product with a QR code, and looks like some other images of other products that they make. Okay, so it says you may also need the cup caddy. Check from our old Diono Radian. A super mat, which is the only approved base mat that goes underneath of the car seat. I guess these are other products they make that are car compatible. Sun stopper shade, back protector, which I believe we also have, and a rear view mirror for those who are, for infants who are still rear facing. Okay. So as Sean said before, this is actually a super light booster seat. I think it weighs about a third.
11 pounds, yeah, a third.
Of our old Diono Radian. It's only 11 pounds, so anyone shouldn't have a problem lifting this out of the box or out of their vehicle. Okay. So here's the car seat. It comes in this protective plastic bag. Okay, so it comes sort of semi-attached with the bottom of the booster seat and then the back part of the booster seat. I'm gonna take out the instruction manual right now and see how we put this thing together. Now, the instruction manual on all Diono Radian car seats is actually on the body of the seat itself, and you'll usually see this little diagram here that says the I for informational packet. So that's indicating that the instructions are in here. So I'm going to unzip this, open it up, and then I'm going to find the instruction manual right here. Okay, so I pulled out the instruction manual here to try to figure out how the bottom of the booster seat attaches to the back of the booster seat. And it says to lay the booster seat on the floor, and then I'm going to hook the bottom here. I'm going to put these hooks here onto this section down here, and then I'm going to push down, so it's on the bottom of the backrest until the hooks engage. And then I'm going to lock the bottom by pushing it up until it's in place here. And there is our seat. Now this goes underneath the back here. And there is the seat. Okay, and attached to the booster seat here, this is just some extra information repeating what is on the outside of the box. 7-position extending headrest, some of the accessories you might need again, and then again the listing of what makes Everett NXT Fix great.
And then all important, how many colors can you get this in?
Oh man, let's see. Looks like 4 colors. We went with black because it matches the interior of our 3. But it comes in red, plum, and blue for those of you looking for some other color options. Now, I did want to show quickly before we get it into the car how to adjust the headrest. Now, we don't have our daughter with us. She is at school, so I'm not sure what height we're going to be putting this at. But when you want to adjust the height of this, it has the directions here, but you're going to lift these light gray buttons up, pull this part with a little hole out, and then adjust up. It's hard to do it one-handed. You're gonna pull the headrest up. You can see that's probably 1, 2, 3, 4. This is probably the 7th height. And then when it's in, let's see. When you get it to the height that you want it, you'll hear a little click. And then you're going to push these light gray little tabs back down to lock the headrest in place there. So I just wanted to point out quickly, it does have the attachments for the cup caddy here. It is shows you the little cup indicator, and there are options for both left and right hand side, depending on your car configuration and what spot you put your seat in. Okay, another feature of the Everett NXT Fix is this rigid latch system. On other car seats, the latch system is attached with usually some webbing and has that tightening strap, but on this one, these are completely rigid. So just something to keep in mind. You'll need to measure the width of your latch anchors in your car to make sure that these are the correct width for you. I don't know if that's a standard dimension or not, but just something to keep in mind.
Come all the way up though and come up. They have a full 180 degree flip. All right, so we're outside and we have our rental Model 3. My Model 3 is in the shop, in the body shop, being repaired after being rear-ended. So we have our rental Model 3 that we picked up from Hertz Rent-A-Car. If you're interested in seeing more information on renting a Tesla from Hertz, check out my video at the link above. Let's go ahead and we'll have Rachel install it in the back. Ready? Here we go.
Let's see how easy it is to get this this new booster seat installed. So we have our Diono car seat mat here, Diono approved.
And we'll show you guys again where the anchors are in the Model 3. Move this out of the way, and in the Model 3 on the seats it tells you exactly where the car seat anchors are. One here and one here. And you get it on both left and right sides of the Model 3, you have anchors. You should not install a car seat in the middle, at least in the Model 3. And if you have a 7-seater vehicle, you should not install the Everett NXT Fix in that third row seat.
Okay. I'm gonna move this little foot thing down. Man, this thing is so light. Okay. So I'm gonna set it here. You'll see the rigid latch straps here. I'm going to line it up. Use my hand to feel since we have the cover here. I'm gonna line it up with the left-hand side.
You're gonna have to do them both at the same time. You can't do one of them.
Okay. Make sure that I have the seat protector out of the way.
The red on the latch means not engaged. When we go ahead and engage it, we'll see it turn green.
So I'm just feeling here to make sure that it's lined up properly. You'll hear it click on the left side, click on the right side, and then you should see
there we are, we went to green.
That went to green there. So this is now firmly installed. In the manual, it did say that even with the rigid latch installation, you might have a little bit of give, and that's perfectly fine. So this thing it's in. We have it on our Diono seat protector. I put the seat height at the mid-range here. We'll have to see how our daughter does when she gets in it after school today. But again, we can adjust that on the back like I showed earlier. The only thing left, I think, is to install our little cup caddy.
Oh, yeah, let's do the cup caddy and then run the seatbelt through.
Okay. So I have our cup caddy here. And again, it's available for either side of the vehicle. I like to install it on the outer side, so in case we have a middle row passenger here, it's not in the way. And you'll see on this side, there's just a little slot here for it to go into. I don't know if you can see that very easily. But I'll move this on the left side. And then basically you're just going to push down until it sort of clicks in.
So the reason why we keep our cup caddy on the right hand side is because then we wouldn't be able to fold down the left hand 60% portion of our fold down seats. Let's show you how that works actually. See if that fits with the Everett. So hopefully we'll have plenty of clearance here.
Oh yeah.
And there we go. It looks pretty tight, but there's actually plenty of clearance. We barely had a rub when we folded down the seat. So if you have a longer things you need to carry in your Model 3 or in your car that extend from your trunk into the front, you should be able to do that with one of the Everett NXT Fixes, whether it be skis or lumber or who knows what.
Okay, the other thing that I did want to mention for us, because we use our car seat protector to, you know, protect our seats here, you may need to adjust the car seat and where it is on the car seat cover here. So you'll see here, our car seat cover is blocking the seatbelt receptacle here. So I'm just going to make some quick adjustments just to make sure that our daughter can access this with the seatbelt. So I'm just pulling the car seat cover over a little bit. And on our other car seat, what I did, I just tucked this out of the way a little bit, like rolled it out of the way so that she could access that.
Okay, let's run the seatbelt.
All right, so let's run the seatbelt. Do you want to come over this way?
No, just run it through.
Okay, so let's see. Just feeling around for the seatbelt thing. So you'll see, I don't know if you can see here. I'm going to run the seatbelt through here and then put the webbing through this little guide here. So I'm going to pull this out a little bit and then feed this through. So on this side, so you see that it comes straight out of the holder there, straight through here, and then through that little guide there. Okay. And then on the bottom, the seatbelt goes under the armrest, and then the lap portion goes under the armrest. I'm going to click it in here, and then I'm going to move this under the armrest as well. Oh yeah, and this will go away obviously once our daughter's in it. But you want to make sure, you know, when your child is in a booster seat, that their ears are in the center of the headrest here. And then on this one, the manual, I believe, mentions that the shoulder strap will be either at shoulder height or slightly above it, which is different than when a child is forward facing in a H harness. So keep that in mind when you're adjusting the headrest. I was talking to Sean off camera about adjusting the headrest here and how we probably would have to uninstall the car seat to make those headrest adjustments, but I'm feeling back here right now and there is enough space here for me to make that adjustment. I could probably actually do it.
While the car seat's installed.
Yeah, while the car seat's installed. So I can get it all the way up, I think, to the top there, and then I'll lock it in there just to show you that upper height adjustment.
Plenty of clearance to the
Plenty of
rear
clearance
glass.
To the glass, so it shouldn't be an issue for however long your child is in this booster seat.
All right, everyone, that's it for the video review. We've got the car seat mounted here into the Tesla Model 3, and we're ready to go pick up our daughter from school. So any last closing comments, Rachel?
No, I think it was a great install, very easy. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments.
If you found this video helpful, give us a like. Again, like Rachel said, leave a comment in the comment section if you have a question. And make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more from Tesla Family Channel. See you on the next one.
Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video. If you really liked it, make sure to subscribe to Tesla Family Channel for free here on YouTube. We really appreciate all of our subscribers and everyone who watches our videos. If you have a question, leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you soon. Check out all of our other videos and playlists. Be sure to follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook. Use my referral link when you order Tesla products like Tesla solar roof or solar panels or vehicles, and you can earn credits upon activation of your solar system or delivery of your vehicle that you can redeem for awards in the Tesla referral shop.